probe into the Trisha Sharma death case continues. Bhopal police have now confirmed that 3 masked individuals allegedly broke into the Bhopal residence of former District Judge Giribala Singh and her advocate son Samarth Singh in the late hours of 27th June. They fled with valuables. Now remember, Giribala Singh and Samarth Singh are currently in judicial custody in connection with the suspicious death of Samarth's wife Trisha Sharma. According to the Katara Hills police, the accused entered the house through the first floor while 2 people, including a relative of the family, were inside. The occupants discovered the theft in the morning of 28 June and alerted the police. During the investigation, a police team intercepted 3 suspects near the house. The suspects allegedly fled, leaving behind a bag believed to have been stolen from the residence. Police have stated that the contents of the bag would be verified after matching them with the list of missing valuables provided by the family. Police have also examined CCTV footage from the house. Officials have stated that the case appears to be a burglary and that there is no evidence so far linking the incident to the CBI investigation into Trisha Sharma's death. Fresh news coming in. Burglary has been reported at Giribala Singh's residence and the police have now recovered stolen valuables. Allegedly, the theft now comes as the police continues the probe, and information has also come in as far as the officials are concerned that this particular case appears to be a burglary and there is no evidence so far linking the incident to the CBI investigation into Trisha Sharma's death. With me on the broadcast is my colleague Prakhar Jain. Prakhar, over to you. What's the latest that you're tracking as far as this burglary is concerned?
Of course, as per the police records, there were 3 masked men who entered into the Giribala Singh's house. They have entered through the staircases from the garden. They have broke into house on the first floor, which is basically besides the same room where Trisha was found dead into the suspicious conditions. As per the information, those 3 masked men. They have taken out a file of documents along with some jewelries and other valuables, including a revolver. But as per the official police records, the valuables which were stolen needs to be verified after the family, that is Giribala Singh's son, will confirm the list of valuables which were stolen from home. But there are certain things which are into the suspicion. As per the information we have gathered till now, the family, that is Samarth Singh's brother and one other relative of Giribala Singh, they came to know about the robbery on Sunday morning. But as per the police records, police team which was on regular patrolling, they have encountered with those 3 masked suspicious men just minutes after this robbery happened. Also, as per the police records, the patrolling team has encountered with 3 men. They have indulged in some fight sequence. In that fight sequence, police has recovered a bag which is said to have been carrying the valuables stolen from Giribala Singh's house. But the second statement, which is reported, which is given by the family, they came to know about this robbery on the next morning. Also, police has claimed that there are no evidences that this theft has something to do with the CBI ongoing investigation. But the serious question is, if there is nothing serious with this theft, then why someone will stole a record file or a file containing the papers? So the serious questions arises is, what was there in that file? What were the documents which were in that file? Also the second question which arises is, police police was successful in collecting the valuables which was stolen, but they have not they were not successful in catching those three masked men after a fight sequence also. In the recent updates with this case, as far as concerned, the masked men are still on the run. Police has no clue about who are they, because they were captured in CCTV footage, but they were masked, so there is no revelation who were they, where they came from. So these are the facts which needs to be which are under investigation. After that only there will be some more updates with this case as far as concerned. Over to you.
All right, Prakhar, stay on with us. We're tracking some further updates from Madhya Pradesh.